Today we're diving into some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming One UI 7. There's a lot of buzz around this new software update, and I'm here to give you all the details. Samsung is gearing up to launch its next custom skin, One UI 7, which is expected to debut with the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series in 2025. But here's the kicker. They already started testing One UI 7 internally on the Galaxy S24 series. That's right, even before the S25 release, we're getting a sneak peek at what's to come. So what do we know so far? Recent updates reveal that Samsung is actively testing One UI 7 on the Galaxy S24 series, and there's already talk of a beta program launching soon. One of the biggest hints came when a new test build for the Galaxy S24 popped up on the server. The build was identified as S926NKSU3BXIC, following a previous test version called BXI. For those of you who keep a close eye on Samsung's software development, you might be familiar with these test build names. A trusted tipster named Taran Vat shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, that the S926NKSU3BXIC build was spotted, which confirms that Samsung is making significant progress. This means we're seeing Samsung putting in the work fine-tuning One UI 7 and getting it ready for public testing. It's exciting because it shows that we're not too far away from the beta phase where users can try out the update for themselves. But it's not just the Galaxy S24 series that's getting the One UI 7 treatment. Samsung has extended internal testing to a bunch of other devices too. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S22, and even more. This is a huge step, showing that One UI 7 is going to be available for a wide range of devices. In fact, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 was recently spotted online on Geekbench, running One UI 7. According to the same tipster, Taran Vat, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 scored 1227 in single-core tests and 5781 in multi-core tests. This makes it the first foldable phone to be tested with One UI 7, which is pretty impressive. Now let's talk about what we might see in One UI 7. Samsung's custom skin has always been known for its user-friendly interface and deep customization options. With every update, Samsung has made sure that the user experience gets better and better, and One UI 7 will likely be no exception. The regular appearance of new test builds shows that Samsung is laser-focused on polishing the interface and enhancing the overall experience. As they move closer to beta testing, fans are eager to see what new features will be included. Rumors suggest that we'll see some exciting improvements, particularly when it comes to Samsung's stock apps. Samsung wants to make sure that these apps are fully optimized and ready for the new interface so that users don't experience any issues when they upgrade their smartphones. Another thing to note is that One UI 7 is going to be based on Android 15. That's a big deal because it means users will be able to enjoy all the new Android 15 features in addition to Samsung's own custom tweaks. The support for Android 15 also suggests that the One UI 7 beta update could be right around the corner. This is great news for those who love being on the cutting edge of software updates. We're all eagerly awaiting the One UI 7 beta program, which could launch sooner than we think. Once the beta goes live, users who participate will get a first-hand look at all the new features and improvements. This will give Samsung valuable feedback before the official launch. As always, Samsung is aiming to deliver a seamless experience with its custom skin, and One UI 7 looks like it's going to push that even further. Whether it's improved app performance, new design tweaks, or better overall usability, we can expect some major enhancements with this update. It's exciting to see Samsung continuing to refine their software, especially when it comes to making sure users get the best possible experience. And there you have it. That's everything we know so far about Samsung's upcoming One UI 7. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S24, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.